Welcome to SoFi Stadium.
The eighth wonder of the world. You're looking here at field level. We're 107 feet below grade, and it really can't be described as a stadium. The best way to describe it is Times Square meets the International Space Station meets the Queen Mary. Not only is this facility the homes and the Rams and Chargers during the year, but also will be the home of the 2028 opening and closing ceremonies of the Olympics, the 2023 college football game.
And the Super Bowl will be here. And now first up on the tour, let's go check out the locker room. Ah, the locker room. I love this place.
A little different when you were playing LT. It was probably should have been condemned in those days.
Yeah.
This is where the players interact, the players get ready for the game. There are 62 lockers here.
Well, one of my favorite things is, obviously, if you look at the structure of the locker room, you have the quarterbacks with the wide receivers and the running backs. So all the skill position players are together, and then you have the linemen together. And Fred, check this out. Cushioned seats. I didn't get this when I played. Look at this, man. This is nice.
Well, you know what? I've got one waiting for you, LT, so we finish here. You were going to take one home.
All right, that's a deal.
Welcome to the Pechanga Founders Club, LT. A really unique and special experience here at SoFi, but this is really a fun and party-like atmosphere for folks that are in the seats up above, as well as the field cabanas. They give people a true bird's eye view right here at the stadium.
Nice bar.
Yeah, a nice
bar is nice.
A good bar, and all you can drink and all you can eat, which is all part of the package here.
One thing that I love about this place, if you listen really hard, you can hear the music. And the music in here just kind of makes you wanna, and you just kind of moonwalk. You see what I'm, this is what you do in here. This is the Pechanga Club, baby.
So you're in one of our field cabanas now, one of an assortment of 260 different suites that are available at SoFi. The stadium itself is ringed with these various facilities that are right on the field that come with catering. And of course, the bonus to these suites is everyone gets access to the Pechanga Club, which you just looked at.
Hey Fred, one of the great things that I love about being in this particular space is how close you are to the field. You may get an opportunity to touch a player. If a player scores a touchdown right here, he's gonna run back to the sideline, and all you have to do is like, hey, great job, buddy, great job. And you're gonna be able to touch one of the players. That's the best thing about it.
They're called cabanas because it's the same notion of putting a cabana out in the ocean front, except instead of ocean, you've got NFL football.
Ah, look at this. This is the place to be.
Isn't this incredible?
The Owners Club.
This is the most intimate, special place in the stadium, only shared by 12 suites that are on this aisle, connected to the owner himself. It's intimate, it's quiet. The fit and finish here is the Queen Mary. All the marble was brought in from Italy. If you look above, the architectural features in the ceiling is to mirror the stripes on a football.
Wow, that's nice.
We have folks that come here 2 hours before the game and begin to take advantage of the open bar and all the food choices that change throughout the game, and are here for an hour or two after the game.
Oh, Fred, the one thing special about this place, which I love the most, there's a candy bar.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's do it.
Look what the cat brought in.
Look at this. My teammate.
What's up,
Antonio
bro?
Gates.
How you doing, man?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Gates, you must have heard there was a
How you
party
doing?
going on.
How you doing?
This is it. This is the owner's suite, you know, the most exclusive area of the stadium. This is where, you know, people come early to the game to enjoy the food and spirits, and then a post-game party afterwards, particularly if we win. And there's 62 seats where people can enjoy the game here, and then, you know, a football game starts, and then it becomes all about football, as you guys know.
It's great, man. I must say, out of all the stadiums, man, this is by far my favorite one.
Come on, if you really want to see the most exclusive part of the suite, let's go check out the owner's lair where they watch football.
All right, let's go. It's actually better in person, man. I've seen the pictures and the architect, but now being here, it's just an amazing feel, man.
How do you go back from this? Like when you watch a game in this location, there's no going back. It's the best seat in the house.
Well, guys, this wraps up our tour of SoFi. You've seen a little bit of everything, starting here at the owner's suite, but going back to the field and our cabanas, our Pechanga Club, you've really got a flavor of all the most intimate and exclusive place in the stadium. I'm glad you could be part of it.
And there's no better place than SoFi Stadium, Los Angeles.
The #1 place in the NFL.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.